Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pallavi and I have Vandana ma'am and Neeta ma'am with me. They are from Pune and visiting us at Pune Center since around 2 weeks now, approx.
2 weeks.
Yeah, and yeah, okay. So we had this was our third follow up. Yeah, third follow up with Neeta ma'am and second follow up with Vandana ma'am. And Vandana ma'am is also going through a regular fitness session with Madhvi ma'am every day online since we have met. So I think a week, a little more than a week, regular sessions. So let's hear it from them. How was their experience?
When I came the first day on the first session, that time ma'am treated me with physiotherapy, and then she gave me the meditation, and I really felt out of world. And when I went home, my legs fully stopped paining. I had a great pain in my legs, which was unbearable, and daily I had to do massage or anything, or anybody, if they will just do massage for me, I used to feel better. But that first day only, when madam treated me, I felt very
damn
nice.
impressed.
Damn impressed. My pain was literally gone, and then after 2 days, my exercise session started with Madhvi ma'am, and she is a very good teacher under the guidance of Madam Pallavi, and really great both of them are. Because of her, this full week I felt very light because of the diet, because of the exercises. And again, this second session was also second examination when I came here. That time also very nice sitting, very nice physiotherapy and meditation.
It was pranic healing, right?
Pranic healing.
Yes, pranic healing, and
Really, I am feeling very light and nice, and I'm sure that one day totally I will be fully all right because of Pallavi. Thank you so much.
thank you so much.
What to say? Actually, I think when some people are meant to be met in your life, you actually, like everyone, I mean, the universe tries to, makes you meet those people, and you meet actually those people at the right time and at the right place. So I met her in a book launch program, and that's how we met. And I had already a good vibe with her just by seeing her, and then she gave me her card, and we fixed the appointment. And then first time when I came here, that time my mom was not there with me. First time I just wanted to just
recommended
yeah,
me, Dr.
and
Pallavi.
so
But I also had met her in that book launch only.
yeah.
Yes.
So I came that day, and then I told mom, first I'll go and see how it is, and then actually त्या दिवशीच, can I speak in Marathi?
Yes, of course.
So that day also, after seeing her, I got an positive vibe that this person is definitely going to heal me.
मी इथे जायला पाहिजे असं.
so तर तेव्हा ते जे फिलिंग आलं, आणि I have to go to this person, कारण I was really frustrated with my neck pain, and I really wanted to get healed from that pain, and that's how I came to her. And in the first session itself, like before that, I had gone to a pan-ortho named hospital, and they just gave me some medicine. Because of that, I had a lot of swelling on my body, and they just told me go upstairs, there is a physiotherapy session going on, and they just put some patches
And
on
this
my
is
back.
something that is you don't have to take bitter medicines.
Yeah, exactly. Without medicine, I think
Without
you're getting
medicine,
healed.
you are getting
Yes.
feeling better and better every day.
And that's how I think every person wants to get healed, not only with putting some medical
Medicines.
stuff inside the body and get healed. So on the first day itself, she gave me some exercises, and since doing that, I'm mostly, I think I'm 80% recovered. And I don't know how many more sessions it would be, but I would love to come every day to her because I get really a awesome vibe, awesome feeling when I come here, when we visit.
Touch our
Yes, yes. And the way she speaks, the way she...
I'm thankful to Datta Giramkar also.
Because of him we met
called
her.
Madam as guest, so we got her.
Yes.
So I thanked him personally also.
Yeah. That's how I think some things have to be, just universe plans it for you, and I feel the same vibration with her and the same. I don't get. I'm lesser with the words, but I would definitely recommend her for physiotherapy as well as pranic healing, because we are getting healed from inside as well. The way we say की आपण जर जे काही पण पोटात टाकतो त्याच्यामुळे आपण असतो, सो तसंच एक एनर्जीसाठी पण हील होण्यासाठी एनर्जी तुमची पॉझिटिव्ह लागते, सो ते सुद्धा फार गरजेचं आहे तुमच्या शरीराला, लाईक बीइंग मेंटली अँड फिजिकली फिट. सो यू हॅव टू डेफिनेटली ट्राय हर फिजियोथेरपी एज वेल एज pranic healing sessions.
I have given her number to many people who are going to be benefited by this.
Yes, because I think that is also a connection. If somebody definitely जर ते होणार असेल तेव्हाच ते तुम्हाला भेटणार. Exactly.
आम्ही नेहमी म्हणतो की उगीच कोणीच इथपर्यंत पोहोचत नाही. Yes.
So that's how I would suggest की ज्यांना कोणाला एनर्जी आणि त्यांनी आणि त्यांची फिजिकल बॉडी, इफ दे हॅव एनी पेन इश्यूज इन देअर बॉडी, so do definitely visit Empower Expansion B.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was such a pleasing feedback, and I must tell everyone, Vandana ma'am is a very, very renowned singer, and she is like, since childhood she is into singing. So if we hear her, you will fall in love with her. And in fact both of them, like Neeta ma'am also, I heard her voice, and super talented, and I feel fortunate myself to meet these divine souls. Thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you.